Welcome to 320 West Adolphus Avenue in Fergus Falls. This stately 5-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in a quiet neighborhood on the south side of town and has been fully updated in every sense. Come along as we explore this property. As you walk through the front entry and into the living room, you'll immediately notice the beautiful natural oak floors throughout the home. The main floor features a bedroom with closet, full bathroom, laundry area, and side entry. You'll be captivated by the endless number of improvements found throughout this home, some of which include new paint, light fixtures, and shiplap accents, which provide a more modern look. You'll appreciate the sizable dining area, perfect for gatherings or family meals, and step into the kitchen with new countertops and stainless steel appliances. Not enough cabinet space? Think again. The sliding door between the kitchen and dining room doubles as added storage, and check out the stairway to the basement, even more storage. As you make your way to the lower level, you'll enjoy an added family room, office area, additional bedroom, craft room, mechanical room, and storage areas. The second level features 3 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a great deal of storage spread out across this level. Moving outside, you'll appreciate surrounding landscaping, the sizable fenced-in backyard, and on the rear of the property, a single-stall garage with access via alleyway. If you're looking for a fully updated home with a ton of space at an affordable price, you'll want to look at this property on Adolphus Avenue in Fergus Falls. I'm Andrew with the Andrew Yagi Real Estate Team of eXp Realty. Give us a call today to set up your private showing.